Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to wire the Watkins 71699 jet pump for 230 volts. This pump comes pre-wired for 120 volts. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, 6mm driver, needle nose pliers. Step 1. Loosen the 3 shroud screws and remove the vent shroud. Step 2. Loosen the 2 cover screws with a 6mm driver. Step 3. The pump comes pre-wired for 120 volts. Step 4. To wire the pump for 230 volts, move the brown wire at terminal 2 to the empty pocket. Step 5. Move the blue wire from terminal 1 to terminal 2. The pump is now wired for 230 volts. Good job! You are now the hero. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.